It's getting dark, guys. I don't know, I might get caught out in this rain. As hot as it's been, I'm not gonna lie. It feels good to get this rain though, man. The rain on the back of the bike with the wind. Let's go. Everybody stop. Jackets out. Man, I am soaked. I don't have a piece of dry clothing on me, but I'm happy I came out with this jacket. All this to get a haircut, man. But, getting all crazy, man. I figure I'll go ahead and eat while I wait for this rain to finish up. Yeah. Want to go get my hair cut, but I'm not walking out there until that's done. Time to eat.